Tommy, what do we got here now?
Well, we've got a couple XT6s by
Right.
Cadillac, and then something in the middle.
Yeah, something interesting in the middle, something that's a little clad.
And they actually drove up to us, which is kind of
Yeah,
neat.
which is weird. We didn't really find them. So there you have it. What do you think that is?
Looks small.
Yeah. Looks small and lean.
XT, let's see.
What XT could that be?
XT5 is getting a little long in the tooth, even though they just did a very mild update on it.
Yeah.
Could be like a new XT5, or it could be something smaller.
Yeah. Well, XT4 just came out. Let's look at the back a little bit. There's the back. It's hard to tell. Too much cladding, you know?
Next to a couple XT6s, though.
Yeah. Yep, look at that. You know, it looks very sleek, you know? Looks like very aerodynamic, kind of like a bar of soap.
Kind of like a bar of soap. Yeah, it kind of does.
Well, there you have it, guys. Another brand new prototype hiding up here in Colorado's high country, doing a little bit of a high altitude testing. As always, check out TFLcar.com for what, Tommy?
News, views, and real world reviews.
See you guys next time. Ciao.